Hello everyone, this is Julia and welcome po on my YouTube channel. Kung napapansin niyo si GCash App, marami na siyang features or products that they offer. Isa dito si GInvest. GCash Invest or GInvest is an investment feature of GCash in partnership with Atram Trust Corporation. From the word itself, GInvest is an investing platform provided to GCash users and it allows your GCash balance to subscribe to an investment. So as long as may balance or laman ang GCash mo, for as low as 50 pesos, makakapag-invest ka na. Guys, I am not a financial advisor but I am sharing this information for the benefit of others. In investments, may term din silang ginagamit. Like in GInvest, pag sinabi mong subscribe, this is the way you buy an investment in GCash. Pag sinabing redeem, this is to sell out your investment and turn into GCash balance. Pag risk profile naman, it can be conservative, moderate, and aggressive. Pag sinabing conservative, your investment strategy prioritizes the preservation of capital, growth, or market returns. Si conservative investor, he prefers to seek stability when it comes to investing and is more concerned with protecting their capital rather than increasing its value. Generally, lesser risk have lesser returns and lower chance of loss. Pag sinabing moderate investment, si investor values reducing risk and enhancing returns equally, kaya sila tinatawag na balanced investors. Moderate investors endure a short-term loss of principal and lower degree of liquidity in exchange for long-term appreciation and they accept some risk to the principal. Pag sinabing aggressive naman, aggressive investor wants to maximize returns by taking on a highly relative high exposure to risk. Since higher risk siya, it can provide higher returns and higher losses. Net assets per unit value. When you subscribe to an investment, they will give you net assets per unit value. This is the unit price of a fund. So same with other investments, the net assets per unit value may increase or decrease depending on the fund's performance in the market. So there are advantages of investing in GCash. Number one, it is ease of use. So the process is very straightforward and very convenient since it is part of the GCash wallet. Number two, no fees. For the time being, wala pa siyang fees. So with GCash Invest, the good thing here is that whether you subscribe or redeem, there is no subscription or redemption fee and the minimum they can process is at least 50 pesos. Number three, you can choose from multiple options for investment funds. So there are 5 available investment products in the app, but in my case, I was able to avail 2. So let's have the comparison of the 5 investment funds when it comes to minimum investments amount and risk rating of the GInvest fund as you can see on the screen.
Makikita po natin sa ating screen yung 5 investment funds with their corresponding fund risk rating, minimum buy amount, and minimum sell amount. Sa Atram Peso Money Market Fund, this is conservative and the minimum to buy and sell is 50 pesos. Si Atram Total Return Peso Fund naman is moderate risk siya and the minimum and sell amount is 50 pesos. Si Atram Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund, aggressive siya. Minimum to buy and sell is 50 pesos. Si Atram Global Technology Feeder Fund, it's aggressive. The minimum to buy and sell is 1,000 pesos. And lastly, si Atram Global Consumer Trends Fund, this is aggressive and the minimum and sell amount is 1,000 pesos.
So last August 13, I was able to start investing for as low as 50 pesos. So once na nakapag-avail kayo, you will receive an email confirmation. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ang performance nung in-invest ko, whether tumaas or bumaba siya. So how to apply for GInvest account? Just tap the GCash app. Ida-direct niyo tayo sa pinaka-homepage ng GCash. Para makita natin yung GInvest, click natin yung View All GCash Services. Then, hanapin natin si GInvest.
under financial services siya. Pag clinic mo yan, makikita mo agad doon yung investments mo. So, in my case, nag-avail ako ng dalawa, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Ito yung Atram Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund and yung Atram Peso Money Market Fund. So, yung total investments ko is worth 156.02. Total investments ko dito is 150 pesos. So, 6.02 difference, ito yung tubo ko. Ngayon, i-review natin yung investment products. 5 siya. Si Atram Peso Money Market Fund. So, nag-invest ako dito ng 50 pesos. Pag clinic mo yung view details, ayan, ipapakita niya sa inyo yung graph, yung performance ng investment. Dito sa investment information, conservative siya, and yung fund description niya is, it includes various Philippine Treasury bonds. And if you want to buy, click mo lang yung buy button. And in the future na gusto mo siyang ibenta, just click the sell button. Si Atram Total Return Peso Bond Fund naman, ang risk rating nito is moderate siya. Kung nakikita niyo sa graph natin, pataas, pababa ang performance ng investments. And yung fund description nito is, it's fixed rate treasury notes. The fund is composed of, and the goal is to preserve the principal with potential for capital gains. Ito, may initial investments ako na 50 pesos. So, for 1 year return is 1.91%. Kung gusto nyo din ulit bumili, just click the buy button. Si Atram Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund naman, total investment ko dito is 106.02. So, kagaya nung sinabi ko kanina, tumubo siya ng 6 pesos and 0.02 cents. So, ganun din yung performance niya, fluctuating, pataas, pababa, pataas. Since ang risk nito is aggressive. So, yung fund description nito is Globe Telecom, Ayala Corporation, SM Investments, URC, and this fund invests only in 30 companies that compose the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, and the fund allows its own enhanced index approach. Ang minimum initial investment dito is 50 pesos, and the 1-year return niya is 15.26. So, kung gusto niyo ulit bumili, just click the buy button. Or in the future na gusto niyang ibenta, just click the sell button. Si Atram Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund, this is aggressive and ganun din yung performance ng investments. It's fluctuating. Sabi niya dito sa base sa graph is data displayed is for the past 12 weeks, almost 3 months. So, yung fund description nito is the fund invests entirely in equities based on individual consumer needs. So, this is a global feeder fund from foreign companies. So, ang minimum initial investment dito is 1,000. Return is 34.09%. Ito naman si Atram Global Technology Feeder Fund. Ang minimum initial investment at saka additional investment dito is 1,000 pesos and yung return niya is 48.42%. So this fund invests entirely in equities of technology companies. This is a global feeder fund from foreign companies also. So ang risk nito is aggressive siya. So yun yung mga 5 investment products under GInvest. And from time to time, sinecheck ko siya kung tumataas ba yung value ng investments ko.